Kaiten Fetch is a tool acquisition and retention game that can be played using any training tool or weapon. To play Kaiten Fetch, place or toss the tool onto the ground and roll to pick up the tool. Begin by exiting the roll in a balanced low position, and transition into exiting the roll into a standing tactical position. Be wary of the increased risk of injury presented by uneven or abrasive terrain. Practice a variety of rolls, angles, distances, and exits. Once comfortable with a variety of rolls and the ability to rise tactically from rolling, link all of your rolls by starting a new roll from the position you ended your previous roll. Kaiten Fetch can be used to explore rolling options. For example, from this entry there are two easy rolling avenues, one to the left and one to the right. I'm rolling over the right shoulder first, and then resetting to explore the other option. In this third exploration, I'm taking my free arm out of the shape and seeking an alternative roll. It's a less obvious barrel roll, which will allow me to change direction to deal with the threat from behind. For advanced practitioners, you can increase the challenge of Kaiten Fetch by tossing the tool behind you without watching where it falls, then turn and launch into a roll to acquire the tool. Make sure you're tossing the tool into a safe area to roll before launching at it. A roll doesn't have to go over the shoulders, so long as it gets you to where you're going in the way you want to get there.